Oatmeal.
Let's try it.
Trying you? Ooh.
Oh, I think we like it. I think we have a winner. Yeah. Ooh, good girl.
Oh, dude, she's going to town on that.
I know.
Oh, somebody likes oatmeal, huh?
What a big girl. Here we go. Another bite. Ooh. Yeah.
Nice.
Eat it up. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She's going to town on that. Good job, Toot.
There you go, big girl.
Oh, yeah, wipe your mouth.
There you go. So polite. What a little lady. What a little lady. Yeah. Ready? Oh my goodness, I can't believe she's just sucking it in.
It's new.
Eat it
Better
up.
than good old formula by itself.
Yay!
Good job, Toot.
There you go.
Yay!
Oh, great.
Yay! Hey, Tootie. Right.
Such a big girl. You find something you like, I think, huh?
Good job, Toot.
One more bite. Yay!
Awesome.
Smile for the camera.
Good job, Toot. Big time. Yum, yum. Oh, yum, yum.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Hold on. One more bite. You look like you're getting full.
Success.
We've graduated to cereals.
Good job, Toot. Go, girl. Foie gras next.
Yum, sounds good. Like what?
Wow, she's just taking it down. Good job, Toot.
You might be seeing this twice.
Hmm?
You might be seeing this again. Yeah. You can see her eyes.
From cross-eyed.
Yeah.
It's so delicious. So good. Go oatmeal. Good job, Toot.